Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to disconnect your Bitget wallet from Uniswap. Now, disconnecting your Bitget wallet from Uniswap is a good security practice. Here's how you can typically do it. Some decentralized applications, that is the apps like Uniswap, have a disconnect button or option within their interface. Now, if you see your wallet address displayed on Uniswap, there might be a drop down menu or certain icon next to it. Click there for a disconnect option. Now, when you connect to Uniswap, it often uses the Wallet Connect protocol. Open your Bitget Wallet app, look for Wallet Connect or Connections section within the app settings or features. It's often represented by a chain link icon. In this section, you should see a list of your active wallet connections sessions. Find the Uniswap connection and tap the Disconnect or Kill Session button. This will terminate the connection between your wallet and the app. If you use the Bitget Wallet, the app browser, clearing the browser's cache and cookies can also help ensure that any lingering connection data is removed. Here are some important things to note. Regularly disconnecting your wallet from the app is a good security practice to prevent unauthorized access. Always double check that you're disconnected from the app. Disconnecting does not incur network fees. It is a function that occurs within the wallet and the app. It's a function that occurs between the wallet and the app. Sometimes just closing the browser's window or app will disconnect the wallet, but using disconnect functions are the most secure way to do so. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.